This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Both QuickBooks Online Payroll Premium and Elite come with QuickBooks Time to track employee hours. Let's go over how to add employees to QuickBooks Time so you can track their time, see who's working, and then approve timesheets when it's time to run payroll. To start, select Payroll, then Employees. Find the employee you want to track. If you haven't added them yet, you can add them now. When you're ready, select the employee and then Edit Employee. If you haven't added the employee's email address, add it now. You'll need it to invite them to QuickBooks Time. Then, check the box to invite this employee to track and record their hours with QuickBooks Time. When you're finished, select Done. Your employee will get an email inviting them to QuickBooks Time. They can either download the mobile app or sign in from a web browser. They can start tracking time right away by selecting Clock In. The clock will start recording their time. Once they're done, they select Clock Out. To view your employee's time, select the Time tab and launch QuickBooks Time. QuickBooks Time will open in a new browser tab. You can look at the Who's Working window to see who's on the clock, what they're working on, and where they're at. If you want to learn more about features like project tracking and geofencing in QuickBooks Time, check out the link at the end of this video. To approve time, select Payroll, select Approve Time, and then approve the time for each employee. Once you have approved all your employees' time, you are ready to run payroll. If you want more info on how to run payroll, check out the link at the end of this video. That's it! Now you're ready to start tracking your employees' hours with QuickBooks Time, so you can run an accurate payroll every time.